Alright, so these are the S1W Rust and White Supras. These are a really nice color. I have a feeling I'm going to be wearing these a lot. I won't be surprised if these end up being one of my favorite Supras to wear around. They have some nice black and white bottoms, which I think is a really nice aspect of the shoe. They have this super tag on the tongue of the shoe, which is kind of cool. The laces are actually one of my favorite parts about this shoe. I think they picked exactly the right laces to go with this. To be honest, I really wasn't much of a fan of the S1Ws until I found this colorway. It's really changed my mind about this shoe. So that's that, and I'll go ahead and put them on my feet so you can see what they look like when I'm wearing them.